you will take a picture of me during this, like just a setup in the name in the other night in the YouTube link. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, bro. Good evening. I hope you are doing well. Which one? Market outlook for the week no is 29th to 2nd. Okay, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Dean's Play. How are you doing, bro? I don't know whether you're a guy or a lady, but still, it's bro. Okay, it's normal. Yeah. Oh, you guys, the YouTube attendance is not really good for me. Like, only 4 people after sharing the link for like some minutes now. Maybe I should stop doing this live and continuing with the market outlook I do on daily basis, Monday to Friday. I'm sure this that one will help. I just do this one so that you guys will participate and ask questions because the outlook I do on the during midnight. You can't ask questions. You can only comment, but you can't ask questions. And even if you ask a question about the outlook, I may not be able to reply with the answer you need. But you joining this like this, it helps you to feel free, ask whatever questions you want to ask. Why did I mark this zone? Why did I do this? Why did I do that? All right. Yeah, but if you guys don't attend the class, like the live, how do you expect me to continue on doing this? You get to the point. So, guys, please advise yourself. Okay, advise yourself. My chairman Bakupe the pips. What's up, bro? I hope your gift is ready. Tomorrow I will accept all kinds of gifts all over the world. Okay. So you're going to be the first person, Victor. You are going to be the first person. And make sure you're not sending anything less than $100. You taste. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm not going to trade because tomorrow is my birthday and I have to enjoy life. So tomorrow I will not trade. Means you guys, you can trade though, but I personally I will not trade. All right. Okay. So um, let's. I'm sure you guys can see my screen now. The Forest Factory. Can you guys see the screen? Forex Factory. Can you guys see my screen from Forex Factory? All right, good. Okay, okay. Yeah, so if you look at Forex Factory this week we have NFP. Don't forget that first Friday of the month we have NFP. So tomorrow being Monday 29th, we thank God there is no fundamentals for USD because it's a special day for the guy. So you guys should just celebrate with me. You get the point. So tomorrow no trade. On Tuesday, we have consumer confidence and job openings at 2 p.m. Ghana time. Okay, we first have 1 p.m. We have S&P stroke CS composites. That news, we're expecting positive news. And at 2 p.m., consumer confidence, we are expecting negative news. Job openings, no forecast. All right, that's what we have on Tuesday. Now Wednesday, too much news. Why? Too much news from 1 a.m. all the way. Ish, wow. So 12:15 Ghana time, ADP non-farm employment change, and we are expecting positive news. All right, we are expecting positive news. At 12:30 Ghana time, sorry, we are expecting employment cost index. Employment cost index, we are expecting negative news. Chicago, FOMC at 6 p.m. and federal funds rate, we are expecting the same. And then FOMC statement at 6 p.m. Press conference at 6:30. So Tuesday, FOMC. Are we going to milk or we are going to bleed? Time will tell. Okay. Um, Thursday, 12:30, unemployment claims at 12:30, and we are expecting negative news. Previous was 235, we're expecting 239, which is negative. Unemployment rate increasing, which is negative. 145, final manufacturing PMI, we are expecting neutral. 2 p.m. ISM manufacturing PMI, we are expecting positive. Okay, we are expecting positive. ISM manufacturing prices, we are expecting positive. Then on Friday, that's the big day. NFP, average hourly earnings, we are expecting neutral. Non-farm employment change, we are expecting negative. Previous was 206. We are expecting 177. That is negative. Unemployment rate, neutral. So we are expecting negative NFP this week. All right, negative NFP this week. The screen has disappeared. Oh, the screen is there. Shall I log into YouTube? Let me see. Do the link. Oh, okay. Let me send it to you. The link is I've shared the screen already. I have not stopped sharing yet. Log in. Let me see. Yeah. What be anyway? Yeah, guys, the screen is no wait. Check it. My send link amount is there. Really, but the screen is being shared. Wow. I don't know what's happening. But who's the neighbor? I was not sharing chat, but I was sharing something else. Anyway, when I'm sharing, when this screen comes, I tell me. All right, now it has been confirmed the screen is working again. Kindly check. Let me see. All right, right. Yeah. So Friday is NFP. Yeah, I know. Authority, I know it's you. That's why I said you are the first person to send the hundred more than $100 gift tomorrow. Okay, so we have NFP on Friday, and we are expecting negative news. Okay, negative meaning, should we expect gold flying or gold selling? But according to NFP, gold is supposed to fly. All right. Now we will go to the charts and look at what we have. But now your network is very bad. Hey, the network is not good on. Should I end this live? Maybe I'll stop doing this live, and then from tomorrow going, um, we only stick to the midnight outlook. Okay, then we stop this one because I don't think it's helping. All right, so let's go back to the chat. A new screen, but now we are safe. All right, everything is good. Okay, Malone, Malone with the NSA and to open it, so, okay, so I can't do anything about it. So let's manage. All right, now this is my outlook already. I am done with the analysis, and I'll clear this chart. Then we all look into it together. All right. Did you just see? Shit. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but the network is bad today. Okay, so guys, this is gold on weekly time frame. Guys, is the network safe for you guys? Can you guys hear clearly? Or you also having difficulties in the network? Like, do you hear some kind of breakages? Or it's clear? Let me know. Or is it because of the download now? Yeah, every yeah, like network, Okay, it's clear. Then maybe it's from you. Yeah. Okay, so this is weekly time frame on gold. And if you look at gold, you see that we have weekly support, weekly resistance, right? Yeah. And last week we experienced a push to the downside and a rejection. Okay? A rejection right here. So what caused this rejection? If you look here, you can see that we have a bear bullish engulfing, right? And the market is respecting the closing price of the bullish engulfing with this particular bottom here. Okay, yeah. So it reached there, got rejected nicely, and it pushed to the upside. Now, is gold going to continue on buying, or is it going to continue on selling? Remember, we have a triple top formation right here, right? A triple top on weekly time frame. We have first top, second top, and a third top. So at the end of the day, we have a third touch or triple top. Triple top formation is also a confirmed sell. All right. So last week, I was expecting the market to even close below here. Okay. But what happened because of the Israel war and things? Gold is still bullish. Right. So what is going to happen this week? Is the market going to respect this level or it's going to break? Let's all look at it together. Now, if you go to daily, because weekly we can't really say much, okay? We can't really say much on weekly time frame. This is the only thing I can say about weekly. So let's go to daily. Now, when you come to daily time frame, you can see that there is a level right here, daily support, which the market respected on Thursday and Friday. You saw a push to the upside, right? As it was pushing, the market closed along the way, so it couldn't really push much. Now, we have some zones on daily time frame. These are the daily rejection levels we have. Okay, is the market going to respect those levels and sell, or it's going to respect and fly? Time and seasons will tell. Now, if I look here, I can get this trend line right here. Okay, daily trend line. All right, daily trend line. So now we have a support right here. Okay, so daily, according to daily, what is likely to happen? There can be a push all the way to test this level and then reject back to this trend line and probably may fly again. At the same time, this level can break. Okay, this level here can also break, whereby the market will just open and just fly like this. Okay, so something like this can happen for the market to continue on pushing to the upside. All right. So we should expect either the market is going to respect this level and sell to break this support to keep selling down, or it will break this resistance and keep flying. All right. So these are the two scenarios according to daily time frame. Now, when you come to H4, if you come to H4, you can see that the trend line I drew on the weekly, was it daily time frame, makes so much sense on H4. And you can see that the market respected the trend line nicely and it's pushing up, giving a nice bullish trend, right? So is the market going to respect this break and retest, or it's going to break this break and retest and keep flying? A retest for a continuation sell. So are we going to expect something like this, or it's going to break? It's going to break and fly. Time and seasons will tell. All right. For now, you can't really say whether it's going to break or it's going to respect. By looking at this level, it's also a strong level. So the market can just touch those levels and reverse back to the trend line, and maybe it will fly at the end. All right. But we don't know yet. And remember, according to NFP on Friday, we are expecting negative news, hence gold flies. So H1, what is happening in H1? Now remember, we have this zone already. We have this zone already right here waiting. Okay. And when you come to H1, we can actually reduce the zone to something like this. Yeah. So this is the day H1 resistance. At the same time, we have H1 support right here. Okay. So according to H1, there might be a pullback to here, this level, for a continuation push to this side. Okay. At the same time, we also have another level right here, which the market has respected. Right. Breakout, respect, pullback. So the market can fly, but I'm still expecting the market coming back here for a continuation push. So when the market comes here, we are going to take a buy all the way to the 2400 levels. All right. And from there, if this level breaks, then we will expect another pullback for another continuation push to the upside. All right. If not, and it respects, then the market sells off. Okay. So if it respects, the market sells off. If it breaks, the market flies. So this is my outlook. This is what I see according to um H1. Now H1 has another zone. Has it come? Oh. Guys, is the screen working now? Am I? I don't know, but I've shared the screen. No, I don't know what's going on. Let me show you. Honestly, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I should stop. Okay, so it's working now. It's working from my side. Okay. Ah, this is stressful. Okay, so back to H4. Back to H4. And H4, this was what I was talking about. You can see we have H4 breakout right here. Okay, H4 breakout. So it came testing the daily trend line. Is it going to break? Is it going to respect this break and retest and sell down? Or it's going to break and fly? Are we going to experience something like this? Or it's going to break and buy to the next level? Time and seasons will tell. For now, we don't know. Okay? So we just have to wait, relax. Now, when you come to H1, this is what we have. You see, we have this is the next back to this support zone so that we can push the market up again. Okay? And when it reaches this level, it has potentials to sell from there. At the same time, it has potentials to break and buy to the next zone. All right, it has potentials to break and buy to the next zone. So when the market comes to this level, it's a crucial level. All right, this level is a very crucial one. It can break, it can respect. So expect anything at all. All right. If you are in the buys, make sure you set break even and wait. But don't be in a hurry to sell. Okay? Don't be in a hurry to sell in this zone because it can break to the next level before it sells down. All right. So just exercise patience, relax, and see how it's going to be once you get. Oh, the screen is off again. Uh, Maybe I should change this machine. Can it be this machine or the network? Guys, what could be the reason? Anybody has an idea? Yeah. And that's so mine is working here. If you come here, mine is still working. Stop sharing. I don't know what's going on. Mine is working. So could it be the machines or is it the network? Guys, do you have an idea of why it can? Yeah, but they complain mostly. Like sometimes it goes. Yeah. I don't know if it is from the machine or from the network. I don't know. Because mine is showing, so I'm sharing my screen. But to the receiver's point, it's not showing. Get a new machine set. Really. Okay, maybe I'll try the laptop. I'll try the laptop and see. If the laptop works, I'll use the laptop. Uh, so if I try the laptop and we experience the same thing, then maybe it's the systems, the network or something. But we will still figure a way out. Okay, because at my end, I'm still sharing my screen, making the thing very boring. You're not doing anything. Market outlook for the week. You can even use sell or buy. Stroke sell, stroke buy question mark. Yeah. Guys, I've said again. Can you see? Okay, blank. Even when you are sharing, it takes time before it comes. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to do a lot of research about this thing because. Oh, okay. Wait there. Okay, it has come. But guys, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't really know what's going on. I have no idea what's happening. My end, it shows here that I'm sharing my screen, but you, the receivers, the receiving point, you don't see anything. I don't know. So we are trying to figure out what actually is going on. Okay, yeah. So like I was saying, H1, this is H1. We have H1 support right here, H1 resistance, H1 support. So if the market comes back to this support zone, we will buy. If it comes back here, it will be the trend line and the zone, we will buy. If it breaks this level and respects, we will buy. If you respect this level, we will sell. If you respect this level, we will sell. All right. So that is what we have. H4. Hey, I have to still go back to H4. Fuck me. Wow. This is stressful. I swear. Hmm. This is H4. And H4, you can see that the market respected the H4 trend line nicely right here. Okay. Market respected nicely, and also the zone. This is also a nice zone. The market respected and pushed to the upside. Now you can see that we have H4 break and retest right here. So when the market reach this level, it has potentials to drop, right? It has potentials to sell back from here to this point. At the same time, it has potentials to break and fly to the next zone. But for it to break to this level, it depends on the sentiment. Okay? If certain things happen, if nothing happens, this is going to be a break and retest. Okay? So the market will touch 23.97 to 24.00, then it sells off again. All right. If not, it will break and fly. So that was what I said about H4. Okay, that was what I said about H4. The screen, yeah, I'm watching from here. So even if it goes off, I'll see. Okay, okay, maybe yeah. Yeah. So now H1. If you look at H1, you can see that we have H1 support. When the market reached this level, it struggled, then eventually broke to the upside. So this is our new support. We will wait for the market to come back to the support for us to buy again. Okay. At the same time, we still have this zone which got respected. If you look at it, you can see, right? Yeah, you can see this level right here. It broke, retested, and still flying. But I'm still expecting that the market will come back here for you to buy from here. All right. So wait and allow the market to play out. Once it gives you this opportunity, you take advantage of it. So 30 minutes, what is saying? What is 30 minutes saying? Okay. So if you look at 30 minutes, you can see the zones, all the zones make sense. Too much sense. All right. Too much sense. And you can see that first 30 minutes support is now here. Okay. So is the market going to come back to the support, this support, and fly? Or it will break to this support and fly? Or it will come back here and fly? All these are possibilities. Okay? All these are possibilities. And is it going to break this level and fly? Or it will respect this level and sell? Okay? Yeah. So what we need to do is to exercise patience and wait. Okay, exercise patience and wait and see what is going to happen. Once we get the opportunity, we can go into the market and pick trades. Like I said, tomorrow I am not trading tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a silent trading, or the people who will come around here, I will trade with them. Something like I haven't planned anything yet. Like I don't think I will trade tomorrow. So, guys, this is all I see on gold. Okay, this is all I see. So, if you have a question or you have a different bias, different from mine, you can bring it out. Okay, what do you see? Do you have a question? Anything? Let's talk. If no question, no nothing, then this is all I see. So, we wait and trade. Okay, so question time. Guys, any question? Any question? Okay. So if there is no question, Then thank you all for joining. Can we do analysis on a different chart? What chart do you want us to look at it? Look at just drop it in the comment section and we will look at it. I see head and shoulder on H4. Okay. H4 head and shoulder, H4 head and shoulder, H4 head and shoulder. Okay. So this is your shoulder, first shoulder, second shoulder, head, neckline broken, and retesting. Yeah, it is valid. It's valid, bro. Your head and shoulder is valid. Yeah. What is the power of forecast in fundamentals? Power of forecast in fundamentals. They predict. Okay, that one is prediction from. I don't really know the people who predict the outcome of the market, the fundamentals. But they predict, they use, they do a lot of calculations, a lot of research, and comes out with those predictions. All right, and it has high impact on the market. The forecast has high impact on the market. Okay, high impact on the market. So when the news releases and it is more than the forecast, it becomes positive. Less than the forecast becomes negative. Okay, so take note of that one. USD JPY BTC. Okay, let's look at USD JPY first. Oh, this one now. Okay, so if you look at USD JPY according to the weekly time frame, wow, it's been a long time since I look at this. Yeah, so USD JPY on weekly time frame, you can see that weekly breakout, right? Weekly breakout, a retest. The market has not really touched the retest, the level line yet. So there is possible pullback that may still happen, even though it has respected this one. But I'm expecting the overall, okay? I'm expecting the overall pullback here. The market testing this level before it flies again. So there is still potential sell on USD JPY according to weekly time frame. Now on daily time frame USD JPY, wow. If you look at it, this is it. You can see a nice trend line breakout. A nice trend line breakout, and then you see the market selling down. And as it is selling off, the market is still testing. So yet to test this breakout, you can see a nice breakout right here. Right. Yeah. So the market needs to test this level for a continuation push to the upside. And for it to test, whether testing or not, if you look at daily time frame, there is a daily demand right here, and you can see that the market tested. Okay, the market tested the H4 daily demand, and it pushed up. So as it pushed up, it closed above this. You see, there is another zone right here. There's also a daily another demand zone, which the market has respected that level as well. So the next candle, if any candle closes bearish, a daily candle closes bearish, the market has more potentials to buy again, at least to this level. Okay, the market has potentials to buy from here all the way to this level right there, and if it breaks, then it will keep buying more. If not, it will still come back to the zone. So right now, if you ask me, you can see we have a bullish engulfing, we have a zone right here. The market has respected the zone, right? The market has respected this zone here, so potentially it flies. But it can still drop back to this zone to activate the weekly break and retest. Okay, so there can also be a candle to come back here when the market reaches 151.8. Okay, 151.89 level. Just look for a buy. Just look for a buy and push the market. You can buy from there and hold all the way to 158. How many pips? How many pips? About 600 pips. Okay, about 600 pips you can hold. Now you have two options. Either the market is going to respect this level and buy, or it will come all the way back here and buy from here. Okay? These levels are buy zones. Any opportunity you get, just buy, buy, and buy. Okay? Yeah. So I have no buyers on sells. I only have buyers on buys because we have a weekly breakout and a retest. So H4. Now, if you look at H4, you can see that H4 gave you a morning star on the zone, right? A morning star on this particular zone and pushed up a little, but respected. You see, it formed a supply here, and the market tested the supply, and you see it's still selling back. So there is a potential sell all back here to give you something like a double bottom. Then you can push the market up. Okay, there can be a push all the way here to give you a double bottom formation like this. Then you push the market higher. All right, so that is what I see personally on USD JPY. H1, what is H1 saying? Now if you look at H1, let me just focus here because you already know what is happening back then. So if you look at H1, you can see that there is a breakout, right? There is a breakout here. So there can be a possible retest over here for you to buy again, or you wait for this zone and buy. All right. So just look for a buy opportunities. Don't look for a sell opportunities according to USD JPY. All right. Don't look for any sell opportunity. Just look for buys. BTC. So BTC USD wonder. Hmm. Charlie, BTC is likely to create a new high. Okay. BTC is likely to create a new high. If you look here, according to technical analysis, there was supposed to be a break and retest for a continuation sell. But due to sentimental analysis, you see strong bullish candle, and now closing above this level, the market has retested, and you see it flying. So expect a new high to be created. Okay, a new high to be formed on BTC. Okay, a new high is likely to be formed. And if you come to a daily time frame, you can see now clearly. Yeah. So you see zone breakout and a retest now. So potentially the market flies. BTC on its way to the top again. All right. And this time round, if you look at weekly, it has more potential to create a new high. Okay, so that is what I see on BTC. Looking at H4, you can see a nice zone right there. And recently, the market is also testing another zone right here. So once this level is broken, then to the moon all the way to 71, 72, 73, forming a new high. All right. Yeah. So guys, that is what I see on BTC. Okay. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. So this is all about BTC. Just wait. Now, I don't think there is any opportunity for you to buy. If you want to buy, wait for this zone, then you can buy from here. Or there is a risk zone. There is a risk zone right here. Why am I saying it's a risk zone? Come to H1. Yeah, so when we come to H1, you can see the risk zone. Yeah, so if the market managed to come back here, you can still find a buy. Yeah, so when the market comes back here, you can still find a buy right here. Okay, yeah, aside that, just be patient and don't do anything. Oh, okay, that's good, bro. Check for me, GA. I have been holding buys from, what is GA? GBPAED. Oh, okay. Someone posted USD CHF. I'm tired. USD CHF on weekly. And remember, guys, monthly candle is closing in the next 3 days. Okay? Monthly candle is closing in 3 days' time. So when it closes, we will go to the monthly time frame and look at what is happening. Okay? Just relax and chill. Okay. So USD CHF on weekly time frame. Hmm. Okay, so USD CHF, these are the zones I have. And if you look at it very well, you can see that when the market reached this level, gave you a double top, an M pattern, and dropped, breaking the neckline, retested, and selling down. Now, there is also another zone right here, and you see the market is reacting to the zone. All right. So if it respects completely, this market will buy again. If it breaks, there will be waterfall all the way to the next line right here. All right. So that is what you should expect. On daily time frame, on daily time frame, this one is no longer necessary. You can see that we have this kind channel. Yeah. This is what we have according to daily. You can see the channel, nice one. The market trading in between the channel. Yeah. So just observe, okay? Just observe the markets and see how it's going to behave. If you look at it very well, you can see that it is declining, right? It is declining. And luckily enough, you can see this level has been broken by that Thursday's candle, and Friday was a pullback candle and it closed below the zone though. So potentially there can be another push to this level right here. Okay, there can be a push to this level right here. So that is what I can say for now. Apart from that, I'm not really seeing anything much. So if this level get respected, then potentially the market can come all the way and take this low and come here to get a buy. Okay, it can also respect this level though, but once this brick and retest is confirmed, the next level is here because this one is just liquidity. The market can grab it and sell down. All right. So that is what is happening on daily time frame. USD CHF. Now H4. You can see H4 declining. Okay. H4 declining. Now H4 breakout a retest. So if H4 candle closes above this line, okay, H4 candle closes above this line, it means there is a potential buy. But if it doesn't, then the market will sell back to this zone before it pushes up again. Okay, so that is what I see. I feel sleepy, I'm tired. Yeah. So guys, this is all about the USD CHF. For now, there is nothing to look out for. Just wait and see if this level is going to respect break and retest. Then you look for your sell. And as you are selling, you take your first profit here and then you hold the rest till this point. And from here, you can look for a buy opportunity. Okay? So that is what I see about USD CHF. H1 is not saying anything much. So you just stick to the H4 analysis. Okay. Um, GBPAUD. Okay. Hey, wow. It's been years since I looked at this pair. What? Let me clear everything. Okay, so bro, GBPAUD on weekly time frame. Wow, a nice something here. You can see a double top bottom formation, a nice double bottom formation, and the neckline breaking out. Right, the neckline breaking out. We have this level right here. So expect a pullback to the neckline. Then here will be your entry for a buy. Okay, expect a pullback here. Then you can look for a buy opportunity. Okay, on daily time frame, what is happening? If you look at daily time frame, you can see that there is a level right here, and you can see that the market has respected already. So based on that, there can be a selling pressure, and also remember, weekly time frame needs to pull back. All right, so there can be a potential sell, and you look at how Friday's candle behaved. It closed bearish but small candle. Okay, bearish but small candle. But at the same time, it can still sell off. So if you want to do anything to get a good entry, I will advise you to wait for the buy here, or you can wait for the sell right here. Okay, you can wait for a sell here. You can. Okay. So H4. Okay, H4. Let me see this. Yeah, so you see where the reason why this level is rejecting, that's what I showed you now. You see, it has respected. If you look here, you see, you'll be like, why is this thing rejecting? But look here, look at that. Look at this one. So I drew this line based on this level breaking out. Okay, and you can see that when you go back to the current price level, you can see how it respected that level, just that, and it's finding its way to the top again. Right. Yeah. So that is why you need to pay much attention to the chart so that you familiarize yourself with whatever is going on. Okay, guys, that's okay. It's okay. I can't do anything again. Okay. So let's take it like that. Okay. I'm sorry, but the chart is gone. I'm tired. I'm tired. Tired. So let's end this session here, okay? Because I don't know. I'll look into it. I'll research more and see what is happening, okay? Because right now I don't know why the screen keeps appearing and disappearing like magician something, okay? So guys, thank you all for staying with me. I will end this live. Then I'll try and see what is the problem, what is going on, what makes the charts on and off like that, okay? Bear with me. I cannot do this anymore. Okay. So let me go and even rest. Then we shall meet and see what is going to happen. All right. But remember, tomorrow is my birthday. I'm not going to trade. All gifts are welcome. BTC, USDT, cars, whatever. Everything is welcome. Those of you who are in Kumasi and you would like to come over, there will be some small home party, house party. So those of you who wish to come around, just send me a message uh, on either WhatsApp or Telegram so that I will book you. Okay, I will let you be among those people who will be coming. All right. So until then, thank you all for staying with me and have a nice day. Right done.